Hi, American Literature students. So I'm going to go over your assignment for today, November 11th. But before I do that, I wanted to remind you guys that today is Veterans Day. So typically we would start off class with a clip that just sort of honors, veterans as a tribute to them. So if you have anybody in your life who is a veteran, who has served this country, please make sure that you appreciate them today and honor them today. Today is the day that, of course, we remember who we've lost, but also who has faithfully served our country. So I just wanted to say that quickly, and I will be posting this clip for you guys to watch just in remembrance of Veterans Day. All right, guys, I want to go ahead and go over what your assignment is for today. So you guys are going to be reading through these two passages about technology and basically the uses in our lives, whether they're making our lives better or worse, why or why not. Both passages kind of have a little bit of a different take about technology and how it fits into our lives. So you guys, after you read the passages, you will be providing some annotations. So I think the easiest way to do it is just on this piece of paper, but if you want to put your annotations on the actual passage itself, take a picture of that and upload that, that's certainly fine. Does not matter to me either way. So each annotation should be a complete sentence stating your reaction to something specific in each passage. So make sure you're not just listing facts, but you're actually, putting what you think about that as well, like whether you agree with it, disagree with it, find it shocking, whatever. You're also going to describe the first passage's argument about technology. So what do they think about technology? And then what are two reasons the author uses to back up their claim? Obviously, they're going to go into probably more reasons than just two, but go ahead and list those, the first two that sort of come to mind. And then you're going to repeat the same process for the second passage. So 5 annotations describing the argument about technology, and then what are two reasons that the author uses to back up their claim. After you guys do that, which shouldn't take you that long, I want you guys to complete this constructed response today. So the authors of these texts have conflicting information about the topic of technology. So I want to know, based on your reading of both texts, what is the most important reason these authors disagree? Okay, like what's the biggest thing that they disagree on? And what's that most important reason? So use evidence from both texts to support your answer. So here's my advice. Remember, try to have 3 pieces of evidence. I would probably use, 2 from one from the other, probably a quote from each, and then maybe a paraphrase from one. Pick the most important reason they disagree, okay? And then clearly explain how the evidence proves their opinions differ, okay? So you're not going to be necessarily summarizing their arguments, but you're going to explain how they're different from one another, okay? So make sure when you're explaining your evidence that you focus on how they are different, how their opinions differ on that one, the most important reason. I suggest, like I said before, using 2 quotes and 1 paraphrase. So you guys have done a million constructed responses before. You know how to do this. So you're going to be uploading your annotations, and then you'll be uploading your constructed response, okay? The constructed response, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to count it. I may count it as a big classwork grade. I may count it as a quiz grade. We'll see. Just do your very best with it, and you should be fine either way. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Of course, hopefully, if you have any questions, you'll submit those by 3:30, just so that I can get those before I leave for the day. Hope you guys are doing well. I miss seeing your smiling faces. I can't wait till we're back in person next week. But I appreciate all of your hard work. I appreciate you guys for getting caught up or keeping up with your assignments. I will be getting caught up with some grades today. So if you have any questions about grades, make sure that you email me and let me know. All right, thanks guys. Take care.